Have you ever heard these golden rules of watercolor? What if I told you that they might be completely wrong? Today, I'm busting 4 of the biggest watercolor myths, and by the end of this video, you'll feel more confident and free in your painting. One of the first things beginners hear is, start with light washes and build up layers slowly. While this can work, being too careful often leads to weak and lifeless paintings. Ever heard someone say, once you make a mistake in watercolor, you're doomed? Not true! There are several ways to fix mistakes. You just need the right technique. Lifting. Use a damp brush or tissue to lift excess paint. Scrubbing. Use a stiff brush with clean water to lighten areas. Magic eraser trick. Did you know you can use a magic eraser to lift dried watercolor? Just dampen a small piece of the eraser and lightly rub the area. Watercolor is more forgiving than you think, so don't be afraid to experiment. Some people think watercolor means using as much water as possible, but using too much water can cause colors to dry pale, edges to bleed uncontrollably, and paper to warp. Water is your best friend if you know how to use it wisely. So many people say, I'm just not talented enough to paint. But here's the truth. Watercolor isn't about talent. It's about practice. Every artist started as a beginner. So instead of focusing on talent, focus on building skills step by step. Your growth is in your hands. So, which of these myths have you believed before? Let me know in the comments, and if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more watercolor tips. See you next time!